Hello class, today we are going to learn about the coordinate plane. So here we have a coordinate plane and it's divided into quadrants. So here's quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, and quadrant 4. The way I like to remember the quadrants is I make a big C, and that's the direction of the quadrants, 1, 2, 3, 4, C for coordinate plane. The origin is in the middle. 0, 0 is the origin. And then from there we can plot points, ordered pairs. So 4, -2. So the first number is your x-coordinate, tells you where to go left or right. And the second number is our y-coordinate, tells us whether to go up or down. So plot the points and name the location. So let's find point P. Okay, so point P, we start at 0, we go backwards 1, 2, 3. So -3 because we went backwards. Now I go up 1, 2, 3. So -3, 3, and then name the location. Remember, make a big C. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is quadrant 2. Point Q. Let me change the color. Point Q is here. It is at, start at 0, I go backwards 1, 2, so -2, and I don't go anywhere up or down. So it's -2, 0. So that location is on the x-axis. Point R, all the way down here. So I start at the middle, I go left 1, so -1, and then down 1, 2, 3, 4. -1, -4. What quadrant is that in? That's in the third quadrant, quadrant 3. And then point S. S, here we go. So we don't go anywhere right or left, so that's at 0, but we do go up 2, so 0, 2. So we are going to say the location is on the y-axis. We could take those points and we can reflect them. That reflection line is called the line of reflection. It's like looking in a mirror, mirrored point. So for this year, we are going to reflect over the x and y axis. So point A is here. We need to reflect over the x-axis. So I like to highlight what axis I'm going over. So I'm going to highlight the x-axis. So where is A going to go reflected? Well, I'm 1 away from the x-axis. So I need to be 1 away from the x-axis here. We're going to call that A prime. It's like a little apostrophe, but it's called prime. That shows the reflected point. So A is now at 2, -1. Point B is here. I'm 3 away from the x-axis, so I need to be 3 away here. 1, 2, 3. So this is B prime. That's the reflected point. Label that point. We don't start at 0. We don't go anywhere right or left, but we go up 3. And then point C. I'm 3 away from the x-axis here. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So here's my C prime, 3 away from the x-axis. So where is my new C? It's at 4. I start at 0, go right 4, and go up 3. Good work. Okay, draw the polygon with the vertices. So A, B, C. So I know it's going to be some sort of a triangle. There's 3 points. We're making a polygon, right? So we know it's going to be a triangle. A is at -5, -7. So go left, -5, and then down to -7. That's going to be our A. B is at -2. Go left, start at the middle. 0, 0. Go left 2. Go up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's point B. And then C, go back to the middle. You always start at the origin. Go right 5, down 1. That's point C. And we just made a triangle. Great job. All right, so here we have a bunch of data. We need to make this data into ordered pairs. When you're looking at an input-output table, it's X, Y. So my ordered pairs are going to be 0, 7. Do you see that? I just looked here and I made an ordered pair. 1, 5, 2, 3, 3, 0, 4, -1, 5, -4, 6, -5, 7, -2, and 8, 2. So these are ordered pairs. We're talking about temperature after midnight. So 0, 7, we don't go anywhere right or left. We go up to 7. Okay, it says display the data in a line graph. So we're going to make a line graph. 1, 5, go right 1, up 5. 2, 3, right 2, up 3. 3, 0, just go right 3, put a dot. 4, -1, right 4, down 1. 5, -4, right 5, down 4. 6, -5, go right 6, down 5. 7, right 7, down 2. And then 8, 2. So here's my line graph. So now it says, describe the change in temperature over time. So we can say, remember this is the hours after midnight. So the hourly temperatures after midnight decrease from midnight to 6 a.m., right? And then they increase from 6 a.m. to 8 a.m. So that's what everything you would write out. The hourly temperatures decrease from midnight to 6 a.m. and then increase from 6 a.m. to 8 a.m. That's how you describe the change in temperature over time. I hope this helped you understand about the coordinate plane. Have a great day.